Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and it's finally here. Everybody keeps asking, what are the holiday gifts going to be this year? It's so much fun to make handmade gifts. They're so personal and so individual. I know that you're going to want to get your list out and look at how many people you have on your list that would love to get a handmade gift. So we've got quite a variety this year. So what we have is we've got this adorable Santa plaque, and Santa is so happy and so joyful. And if you even wanted to, you could tuck a little gift card in behind the Santa as a great little gift. Now, I don't know about you, but everybody needs handmade cards. This set features all the seasons, so it's perfect for everyone on your list, even those guys who aren't really sure quite what to do with cards. These don't even have sentiments, so they can be worked out for birthday or anything, any type of occasion that someone would need. These cards would be perfect. And then, oh my goodness, can you look down here at these adorable gnomes? We've got a set of two 2022 gnome ornaments for your tree. They're so fun. They're a wood ornament with paper decorations and just the perfect thing to commemorate 2022. And then, of course, some beautiful decor items. We've got this fantastic mistletoe framed art piece. It's 5x7 and it comes with the frame. And then here's an adorable candy cane one. This also comes with the frame. What a beautiful piece to put out for the holidays. I know that you're going to enjoy these gifts for yourself as well as for giving. So let me know which gifts you want to make and I'll have them all ready for you. These can all be done at home because they all come in gifts, in kits, with the one exception of the candy cane. That needs to be stamped, but we can work that out because we've got some candy cane paper that works out really well. So, oh my goodness, get your lists out, think about who would love these wonderful gifts, and let me know which ones you want to make. Well, doesn't Santa just want to make you smile? And ho, 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 what a wonderfully fun three-dimensional wall hanging this is. It's got glitter stars on the beard, a little ho, ho, ho message, and of course, a perfectly round nose for Santa to be so happy and waiting to bring the gifts to your house. Well, I know this will be a fun project to make for so many people. Well, let's move on. So here is the mistletoe framed art piece. Can you see all the detail in there, all the shine? We've got a beautiful gold gilded frame and the mistletoe is hanging up. And mistletoe is such a traditional holiday plant because of course it means love, and who doesn't want to bring love into the holiday season? And for even more fun, we've got this fantastic candy cane piece. It's got a beautiful crisscross background, lots of foliage, a bow, and a cute little bell right there that's just hanging below the bow. So what a fun decor element for the holiday seasons. And are you ready to decorate your tree? Oh my goodness, I'm sure your tree is going to need these absolutely adorable gnome Christmas ornaments. It's a set of two, and they're just on wood. So they're a wooden little piece, and they're covered with our beautiful papers. Aren't those just fun? These just are so playful and fun, these cute little gnomes that are originally from Germany. And our last gift for this particular grouping is this beautiful gift box. Now this is all the 4 seasons, and it comes with 4 cards inside, and each card represents one of the different seasons. So we've got our summer season with its matching envelope, and a little spring. I think those look to me like cherry blossoms, ready to go for the first colors of the spring. And then we've got a beautiful little winter scene here, just with the little winter sky and our matching pines. And then here we've got all the beautiful fall colors with our matching envelope. So what a great collection. And you'll note that there's no greetings on any of these because these can be used for almost any
occasion. So it's a perfect gift to give someone with a wonderful theme of all the seasons. Now, in order to make this particular project at home, you will need a whole bunch of ink and this wonderful stamp set. Everything uses the Beauty of Friendship stamp set, all these foliage pieces, and I've got my blending brushes, so you'll need a couple. You need one for green and one for blue for the sky. And then, oh my goodness, you need a lot of ink. Hopefully you already have a great collection, but I'll lay these colors out for you just so you can see. I've got Mango Melody and Pumpkin Pie and Real Red and Cherry Cobbler, and those are giving me the colors for the fall season. And of course, here's the blue, the Pacific Point is our sky that's in there. So those are what we really need for the fall season. And then for the spring season, we need to add in our polished pink, as well as our, as well as our Granny Apple Green, and of course our sky again. And then for our winter scene, we need the shaded spruce. Isn't that beautiful? And then for our summer, we need a couple of greens. We need some more Granny Apple and some Parakeet Party. And all of our stems are done in soft suede. So a great collection, fantastic, beautiful collection with just very few supplies. Just this gorgeous Beauty of Friendship stamp set, a couple of blending brushes to do your skies and your ground, and some ink. So a fantastic collection. I hope you'll let me know which gifts you want to make for this wonderful holiday season.